Hello everyone, this is an unboxing video of the Clark's Originals Desert Boot in vegetable tanned leather. This particular boot is made in Italy, so let's get right to the unboxing. Very nice. So a little background on vegetable tan leather. It begins this color, this pale pinkish color, but very quickly develops a rich, almost golden patina the more you wear it and the more it's exposed to oils and sunlight and dirt and other things. This type of leather will pick up virtually everything. But as it ages, it will only look better and better and better. It comes with this sample leather tag. If you want to condition the boot at any point, you can test it out on this tag first before you put it on your shoe. Let's see the other shoe, the other pair. So again, this is a natural vegetable tanned leather made in Italy. Features this crepe sole, very comfortable sole, and I bought this pair to replace my other desert boots, not in vegetable tan leather. They look like this. Notice how the crepe sole does turn black, and now that I'm looking at this, this crepe sole does not feel the same as this crepe sole. This one's sole is much harder than this one. But maybe this is just worn down. When putting these on, it feels like I'm walking barefoot because this is worn down so much that inside this section here, this middle part, has thinned out significantly. And so I would say with this pair, I have maybe a year or two left before the sole either has to be replaced or I just toss it. One of the first things that broke on this shoe was the laces. The laces that this original shoe came with was a thin cotton lace. This one comes with leather laces, so these will last a lot longer. And I don't know if you guys can see, but on the inside it anyway, I'm excited to break these in. I'm excited to develop a unique patina, and hopefully I'll have an update for everyone soon. Have a great day.